Hi guys! In the previous lessons I promised you to explain the hard and soft sign meanings. So today we are going to talk about it, and the main topic of this lesson is the plural form of nouns. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Nadine and welcome to my channel Teach Me Russian. Also, don't miss the bonus material at the end of this video, so stay with me and let's begin. The very first and important thing we have to start with is vowels. I have already told you about them when we were talking about Russian alphabet, but now we are gonna get to know them better before we jump to discussion of hard and soft signs. So let's take a look at them. As I told you before, there are 10 vowels and 20 consonants in the Russian language. Russian vowels have hard and soft sounds. Such vowels like a, e, o, u, y have hard sounds. And such letters like ya, yo, ye, you, I have soft sounds, and as you can see, they consist of two sounds. Ya, y, a, yo, y, o, ye, y, ye, you, y, u. And now let's read these combinations together so you can learn to distinguish their sounds and practice your pronunciation, of course. A, o, a, u, a, e, a, I, o, a, o, I, o, e, o, u, e, u, a, u, I, u, o, e, o, e, I, e, u, e, a, I, a, I, o, I, e, I, u. Great. Now we can jump to discussion of hard and soft signs. What do we need the hard sign for? We are coming back to our letters. These letters have two sounds, but when they have consonant before them, they lose the y sound. Look at these examples. Сест, пойдем, изян. You don't hear a clear y sound because ye, yo, ya come directly after a consonant. So, considering this information, we can guess that the hard sign function is separating consonants from the letters ya, yo, ye, you. Take a look at these examples. Съезд, подъем, изъян. Sound is clear because the hard sign separated the consonants from the letters ye, yo, ya. Just compare. Сест, съезд, пойдем, подъем, изян, изъян. Объект, объект. Объем, объем. The main function is to soften the letter before. Look at this example. Читать, читать, and compare without the soft sign читать, читать. читать, 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 мать, мат, пальто, пальто. Do you hear? Do you see this difference? Читать, читать, мать, мат, пальто, пальто. I hope on it. That isn't it. There are another one function, so let's look at it. Yeah, I gather you guessed what is it a function. Look at this example. Семя. Семя. You don't hear a clear y sound because ya comes directly after a consonant. So, another one soft sign function is separating consonants from the letters ya, yo, ye, ю. Example. Семья. Семья. The sound is clear because the soft sign separated the consonants from the letter ya. Compare. Семя, семья. Друзья, друзья. And that's still not all. Also, the meaning of a word can change with hard and soft signs. Take a look at the slide. Съел, сел, съел. Он съел торт. Сел. Он сел в кресло. Семья and семя. Семья. Они моя семья. Семя. Я посадил семя. Брать. Just a second. Брать and брат. Брать. Петя думал, брать зонт или нет. Брат. Иван мой брат. Well, all this information, all this explanation I showed in this table, so I will give you it after this lesson. That's it, what you need to know about hard and soft signs. And I'm sure when you meet such kind of words, you will not be confused and you will be able to read them correctly because now you understand the hard and soft signs meanings. And now we have come to the main topic of this lesson, the plural form of nouns. There is a lot of exciting things ahead of you, so let's look at them.